much. What's up, guys? I'm Silver from the future, Shadow from the past, and Supersonic music teacher, but Alice Cat Meow from the present. So today we're going to eat everything we have. Terrible, but still don't forget to like, kids, and subscribe. And share.